In this, we are going to learn the part 2. In part 1, we have learned the basic figures of worldly art. In this, we are going to do the daily work. So, we need the same materials, permanent marker, scale, pencil and pen. So, let's get started. So, the first we'll recap the last one. We had made a man. Yes or no? Yes. So, this was our man. This was our woman. Yes or no? Yeah. So this was our man and woman. So the first figure of today is that first we'll make a man, a circle, a line, then the triangle, then the legs, and the hands position is a little bit of difference because like this, then like this and like this. Then you will make the grass. The grass should not, it should be shabby, okay? So the man is taking the grass on his head. And for dark, you need to show this lines. That is the partition. So this was our first figure. The second figure is a woman. So woman was like this. The face, a line, then the triangle, the legs, and the hand should be one at the top and one down. So at the top, she is taking some basket. A basket. So you can decorate the basket and you can keep any material in it. And she is taking a basket on her head. So you can take the fruits and you can take the toys, anything you need. But you should make like this. Then the third figure we are going to make is once again a woman. But in this, the woman is running. So how to make the running? So first we'll make the figure, the basic figure. Then you will make a leg like this and a leg straight, the line here and like this. So like this the running woman. And it should be like this, one hand like this. So here you can put too many pots or some another pot. So these are the two pots. Next, the fourth one we are going to make is a girl and the old man. This is our girl. You can make like this ponytail, a line here. It's a small girl. So then the legs like this, and she is holding a hand of the mom. You can make like this. So the mom is having a basket up on her head. She is having a stick and she is holding a hand. Okay, so this was the two sisters, not the mother, but these are the two sisters. Next, we'll make the second one is we'll make a man taking the goods. So first you require a normal man, and next you will require his hands like this, a hand like this, and the stick here. It should be a little bit long, and a pot like this. And here also the same figure should be. This is a very easy art, worldly art, and it's very beautiful also. The next we are going to learn is, and you can make this man as woman also as you require. Next we are going to make is a daughter and a mother. So first you will make the mother, then her hand should be like this and other hand should be like this. So she's taking a pot and her little daughter should also be there. You can make her daughter or a son also. So he or she is also holding hand. So if you want to make a girl, you can put the ponytails. Remember, in the last part 1, we had decided to do that also. And next is the next figure we are going to make is a girl is sweeping. मतलब झाड़ू लगा रही है. Okay? So it should be a little bend. Her legs should be in the normal way. And the hands, both hands should be like this. And in one hand the sweet should be. And you can put the dust particles. Okay, so this is a girl. Next we are going to learn is a lady. A lady is cooking food. So seated lady, okay? So we had learned the man seating. So her legs will be like this. And you can make her sit like this and like this. And a utensil here. And the grains. You can make like this also. And her neighbor or her sister, anything you can make like this. She is also helping her. So you can make her pot. And the leg should be this way because she is seeing her. Ninth one we are going to make is gents, means a man is washing clothes. A man is washing clothes. So his hands should be both up. Both up. And you can make it like this. Because he is hitting the clothes or anything on the ground. And other man also you can make. And his hands should be the here. Opposite way. And like this only. Don't scribble, but it should look like neat. And the last one is you can make a lady giving bath to her small son. Yeah, her small son. So her hand should be like this, and a son here sitting or standing. No, he's sitting. And a mug structure you can make. Then the mother is like this. And you can make a small bucket here. And the bath is ready. And you can put the water droplets also here, like that he's bathing. It's a little scribble, but you can make like this of water also. So we'll have a quick recap. In this we have seen the daily life, and I'm going to make a part 2, part 3 on it. So please watch it. So here we have made 10 figures. Practice it every day, okay? And you can fill it with your permanent marker also, like this. It'll look more beautiful, okay? So paint it like this. You can paint the human like this also. So thank you for my video. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos. Please comment, like and share and subscribe to my channel WhatsApp Rashi. Thank you for the day.